Welcome back. I'm Kayla. This is my assistant, Navy. Today we are going to be showing you some different ideas for poses for action shots. So we've done this a few times now, but we've got one that's for all of you people with awesome feet, okay? Miss Navy here was blessed with beautiful arches, beautiful feet, so we're gonna wanna show those off today, okay? So the first pose I've got is one that's just a little bit more dancey. She's gonna step out with her right leg or left, depending on what what side you like better. Really showing off her arch right there. Nice long arms. You can have your lunge be as long as you want or as short as you want, but it's really gonna show off those feet. The second one is just a really simple jump, but again, it's for all of those gorgeous feet. We really want to show those off. So she's just going to do a saute jump. Her legs are going to go into just like a small V. You can put your hands here. You can put them up. You can hug your chest. They can pretty much do anything. Go straight out to the side with flexed hands, whatever, but we really want to show off those feet. The last one is just a nice little hugged passe in forced arch. Navy's just got like a unique style to her hands. You can really do anything with your hands, honestly, just kind of be creative right there. But we really want to show off our feet, getting that forced arch with her left or right leg and showing off that high passe with that beautiful arch in her foot, okay? You guys, we love action shots. We love the photo shoots, and I know that you're looking for ideas. So there's 3 for all those gorgeous feet girls out there.